23 tips to get in the best shape of your life in 2024. 1. Alcohol is poison. Minimize at all costs. 2. If you're not horny, you're not healthy. 3. Peanut butter is not a high-protein snack. 4. Eat slower to allow time for the satiety hormone, leptin, to release in your body. This tells your body when you're full. 5. Sugar does not make you fat. 6. The media is a documented depressant. Exercise is a documented antidepressant. Adjust your life accordingly. 7. Cardio is like day trading for quick profits, burns calories. Weight training is like investing for passive income, boosts metabolism. 8. Muscle confusion is not a real thing. 9. Eat as much fruit as you want. Nearly impossible to overeat. 10. Black coffee and sparkling water are great appetite suppressants. 11. To avoid post-dinner snacking, brush your teeth. Watch your cravings vanish. 12. Cold showers are a great tool to minimize stress. 13. The quantity of your food affects how you look. The quality of your food affects how you feel. 14. Eat the frog first. If you struggle to consistently hit your workouts, do it first thing in the morning. 15. Eggs are a superfood. Not a food to avoid. 16. You don't need any gym equipment. All you need is your body. 17. Minimize liquid calorie sources like soda, cooking oils, and Starbucks sugar. 18. More muscle equals higher metabolism. 19. A high-protein diet is the best diet. 20. Your self-identity drives default actions. So stop calling yourself lazy. 21. Lack of sleep increases your hunger hormones during the day, making it harder to lose fat. 22. You can lose weight sustainably while eating pizza, ice cream, and burgers if you eat clean 80% of the time. 23. They told you, too much sun will give you cancer. They didn't tell you that sunlight can be the #1 supplement to better sleep, mood, energy, skin, and mental health.